Hi, so I'm going to come here quickly and explain my code and my question. So first I had to import pandas, numpy, and matplotlib after downloading them in order to show graphs and just take data from the Excel file, which I used in the code. Um, I named it HD, short for housing data, and then I printed the table using def.head and then the other commands. Um, and then for my key question, I basically wanted to show how much price changed depending on how many stories the house had. So I just established everything, um, and I took from the information, from the Excel, um, the price, of all the houses. And then I took for the X label, I took the stories, and then the title of the graph is going to be prices by stories. And then I printed the graph using just plt.figure and just using. And then yeah, and then it just printed a graph showing the stories of the graph of the house on the x-axis with the price of the house on the y-axis, and it didn't really show any correlation. So yeah, those were my findings. Thank you.
The first thing I did was to import libraries, like pandas for data handling and matplotlib for pyplot, for creating visualizations. Then I loaded the data with the Excel file into a data frame. Changed the preferred area from yes and no to numeric 1 and 2 for analysis. Convert the average of price, area, bedrooms, and preferred area. Use the pairs, then I calculated correlations manually. Use a Pearson formula to measure the relationship between price and each factor. The numerator equals covariance. Denominator equals product of standard deviations. Result, correlations values between -1 and 1. Then, what I did is print the results and interpreted them. Display the correlation values rounded to 3 decimals. Explain which factor influenced price the most. Visualize correlations. Create a bar chart comparing the correlations of each factor with price. Add labels, colors, titles, and set the 0 to 1. With this I resume everything on my code. Thank you.
Okay, what I did for my code was to ask to the program to gather me all the information about the prices and the number of bedrooms that I have, and depending the price and having the averages of them, it could give me a recommendation of about if I have the enough budget for it. I can get a house that will have about 3 4 bedrooms, and depending on the price, if I didn't have enough budget, it would tell me to save more money. And the second is giving me the prices by the area, like supposing that this price is for a house that is in a specific neighborhood, and so I could know in which area the prices are higher or lower, and that's it.